Welcome back to Jamie Take. In today video we are going to show you and earning and my reviews, and we have really great reviews and show more if you want. Here it is. We have really nice reviews. What else I want to show is that my earning, right? And here's my earning, and still some of the payments are being clear but not yet received. So what is the secret behind this earning, this high standard profile and this Fiverr account? So the title would goes like how to earn and how to make your profile, how to earn on Fiverr, how to make attract you, impress you, your gigs, right, on Fiverr. The most important thing is what is your skill. If it's my earning, it doesn't mean like that I just earn by just providing dummy things. It really matters what is yours, what's your skill. It's been almost 2-3 months that it took from me. Though I created my account, my Fiverr account in 2021, but started at 2024, right? It took me only 2 or 3 months because I was focusing I was focusing on my skill, right, to build high quality service, skills. And then I came to Fiverr, and as soon as I came, it took only 2 or 3 months that I came to high earning. I was earning 2-3 lakh per month, in Pakistanis. So the secret is what is your skill. Build a high standard skill. Then there is one more secret thing that I would like to disclose, dispose with you, share with you people, that nobody is perfect, right? Create a little bit, create your best, at least in a specific field, in a specific skill, right? Providing logo design, any kind of service, but at least you know the basic, right? And then you can build your skill as well as earning. What was my method? My method was, I just created, I just tried and made some projects. Those projects with a similar with my service, with my skills that I was providing on my on Fiverr, right? What else? Different clients were coming and they were offering me, and they were giving me different kind of projects, and I was earning. I was building my skill as well. You're doing 2 things at once: earning and learning. So this is the secret in how to create a gig on Fiverr. You can follow similar projects, similar people, similar gigs to create your own gig, right? Follow them. There are 1,000 YouTubers how to create a best gig, but the thing is that you need to create, build your a little bit skill, then you can grow with a different kind of task. At the first time I know nothing, just having a little bit skill, but then came to Fiverr and then earning and learning, and now I'm alhamdulillah earning more and more per month. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment down for any queries. Thank you. Goodbye.